Fellow Toastmasters, I am your surgeon at arms. Let me ask you a question, and this question is for those who have never taken any officer role. Do you know what is the total strength, current strength of our Toastmaster club? Do you know what is the meaning of being a president distinguished club? And what kind of effort is required to retain that title? There are many such details which our officer team deal with every week. In our Sergeant at Arms training, our trainer asked every Sergeant at Arms to speak a few words about their own club. The first sentence which came out of my mouth was, "I love my club." And it was directly coming from my heart. This kind of inevitable love comes with the ownership and the care. I have 3 houses in India. First house where in my village where I lived since my childhood. I took care of that house. I renovated that house myself. I even worked with the construction workers. And other 2 houses I just purchased and rented them out. I love my first house so much. You spend days, months, years getting your house look awesome. You want everything to be just perfect, neat and clean. But what about a rental house, hotel room? You use it, splash dash, and that's it. Your lovely car. You put the best gas in the market into your car. You wash it, you polish it, you look for the tree shadow whenever you park your car. Because you love your car. What about a rented car? You drive a splash dash, you return a splash dash. When you come into the Toastmaster club first time, you like it. Then you join the Toastmaster club, you feel excited about it. Then you gradually take functionary roles and deliver speeches, and you start getting benefited out of it. You admire it. But when you take an officer role, you plan things for your club. You take part in every decision making. You start feeling a sense of ownership. And that's when you start loving your club. Hammer has to forgive me. As a surgeon at arms, you plan for every meeting. You manage the inventory. You learn the work delegation. You participate in every official meeting where we review the health of our club and plan for the next items. One good thing about Surgeon at Arms role is you only work on the day of meeting. The rest of the week you are free. Since I took this officer Surgeon at Arms role, I have gained a higher level of confidence. I feel a sense of responsibility towards my club. I feel more comfortable here at the lectern like never before. I could deliver 7 speeches within the last 5 months. And I think this is all because I understand my responsibilities towards my club and myself better. When you take an officer role, your true leadership skills start developing. You learn to work in a team. Opting an officer role has immense number of advantages, which you only come to know when you get into that role. My dear Toastmasters, this Ferox Toastmaster is a system. Don't just remain the user of this system. Become the owner, the caretaker, by joining the management team. And let me tell you, the Sergeant at Arms role is your first step and the most exciting role. Mr. Toastmaster.